into the vlog. Oops, you're falling. It is a Friday night. I'm currently getting ready. I have about 15 minutes to do my makeup and hair and accessorize and everything, so I really thought I was gonna have more time after work. I was planning to like go to the park. I was planning to go to Trader Joe's. I had some errands I needed to run, but I decided I wanted to do a happy hour. So happy hour starts at like 5 and it is 5:15. So I need to get ready, but while I'm doing that, I can give you a quick update on my life. I've been traveling a lot. Last weekend I was in Columbus for a wedding, which was beautiful. It was a beautiful venue, a beautiful wedding. And then this weekend I'm back in Chicago. Lots of things happening this weekend. I'm excited. I love Chicago in the summer. There's just always like stuff to do. Jacob spent a little more time in Columbus. He'll be back tomorrow. And then next weekend we head out to Buffalo. Lots of traveling, but after that it should be done, which I'm happy about. I want to spend as much time as I can here. And yeah, so I'm getting ready. I will take you guys along and let's have a good weekend. Okay guys, here's the final outfit. These belts were all of the rage back in like 2020 and bringing them back. So I'm not really sure about these shoes, but I always have a problem with shoes because I hate wearing heels and I don't want to wear sneakers. So, but I think from here up it looks good. I figured out why these belts didn't last that long. It's because when you walk, they bounce everywhere, which is so annoying. So I had to put them in my pocket. Guys can hear me, but I got a jalapeno cheddar corn dog because I have a thing for corn dogs, and I've never seen a jalapeno cheddar one, so I had to get it. Here it is. I am sitting at this Old Town Art Festival. Super cute. Now I'm gonna have a little bite. In my fridge. I love corn dogs. So good. Hello guys, haven't checked in a bit, but I am already at like 14,000 steps for the day. I went to a couple of farmers markets because I just wanted like a super long walk, and then I stumbled across the Old Town Art festival. So I went in there, they had a jalapeno cheddar corn dog, which I had to get. So I got that, walked back, had to go to Trader Joe's to pick up some wine because I am headed out to a little like wine party. But oh my god, my legs and my like lower back are like so tired because yeah. So hopefully I don't have to stand that much at this party. But I picked up this one from Trader Joe's. My favorite wine is Riesling.
Can you say it again?
Oh, that's weird. I didn't say Alexa. That's weird. Okay. But I love Rieslings, and I picked up this one at Trader Joe's. The cashier actually said that this was a really good one and that like someone recommended it to her. And it was only $6, so I'm hoping it's good. So yeah, I'm headed over, and yeah, I am tired and exhausted, but ready to drink some wine. Hi guys, haven't checked in a while, but it's Sunday. We have had a fun and busy day. This morning we went to yoga, and then we went to the Pierogi Kitchen, which is in Wicker Park. We got their pierogi eggs benedict, which was so good. It was like 4 pierogies with like a couple of poached eggs on top, and then the hollandaise sauce and some home fries. That was so good. And then we also tried their truffle pierogies, which were so yummy too. So and then we walked around a little in Wicker Park, which was fun, and we stopped at Artemio's, which is this little Mexican bakery, and everything there is like $3 and under. So I kind of already ate some of it, but we got, we got a chocolate croissant there, and then also got this like chocolate marble swirl cake. That was, it doesn't look that pretty anymore, but it was also so good. And all of this was like $5. These pastries are huge too. And then saw some friends and came back, hung out a little. We're watching The Bear, or I am, and I'm on, like, I'm near the end of it, but I need to watch the end of season 2 because season 3 comes out super soon. So hung out, watched that, and then we went to Whole Foods, stopped by their bakery, got a baguette and my jalapeno cheddar cornbread. It was calling my name, so I had to get it. But it was quite the food day today.
Yes, it has.
It's been also good. And tonight we might have a, what's it called? a Spanish tortilla. I saw that Trader Joe's had them as like a frozen thing, and it was new. So I was like, that's right up my alley. I had to get it. But yeah, that's the update, and we're gonna watch an episode or two more of The Bear, hang out, have a chill night, maybe watch Godzilla, the new movie. Apparently, it's gotten very good reviews, so yeah. Happy Sunday.